In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a new account for your EA Sports FC 25 companion. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so you've got the EA Sports FC 25 companion on your mobile device, but you can see it only says log in. So you can only log in using your EA Sports account. So to create your EA Sports account, you need to go to the website because the app doesn't allow for you to create an EA Sports account there. So open up a web browser and then we need to head over to EA Sports. Here it is here. Click into that. And now on the top of the page here, you got like a user profile icon. Go ahead and click onto that and then click on create account. And now what this is going to do, it's going to take you over to the account creation process. So we can create your EA account. So use one of your existing accounts below or start from the beginning. So what we can do, we can sign in, sign up using your Google account, Facebook account, Steam, Xbox, PlayStation, etc. Or you can manually do it by putting your country, region, date of birth, date, and then click next. So let's do by country, region. I'm in Australia. I'm going to put in my birth. So I'm going to go like so. All right, now I'm going to click next. And now from here, you need to put in your email address and then enter your EAID and then enter your password and then click next. And then that's going to go ahead and create your EA account. Now, once you've done that, it'll redirect you to ea.com/sports. And then you can see I'm logged in. It says sign out. Now from here, go to EA Sports FC 25 companion and then log in using your credentials.